World languages we should learn. Which languages are important for global communication? Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about fascinating and increasingly important topic. Which languages should we learn in order to communicate with the world? In today's interconnected world, language is much more than a tool for conversation. Language connects people. It connects culture. It connects education, technology, business, tourism, science, and international cooperation. So, what languages should we consider learning? Let's explore them together. The first, English, the global language. Let's start with English. English is one of the most important language for international communication. It is widely used in education, science, technology, business, aviation, tourism, entertainment, and the internet. For students and young people, English can provide access to international books, research, educational resources, technology, and global career opportunities. That's why English is an excellent first foreign language to prioritize. If you want to communicate with people from many different countries, English is a powerful place to start. The second, Mandarin Chinese, a major global language. The second language is Mandarin Chinese. Mandarin is the main language of China and has a very large number of speakers. China also plays an important role in global trade, manufacturing, technology, investment, and international business. For people who are interested in doing business with Chinese companies or communicating with Chinese communities, learning Mandarin can be a valuable expertise. It can also give learners a deeper understanding of Chinese culture and society. 3. Spanish, a language spoken across many countries. The third language is Spanish from Spain. Spanish is widely spoken in Spain and throughout much of Latin America. It is also widely used in communities across the United States. Learning Spanish allows us to communicate with people from many different countries and explore a rich variety of cultures. For people interested in tourism, international business, education, and cultural exchange, Spanish can be an excellent choice. The fourth, Arabic, an important language of the Arabic world. Next, we have Arabic. Arabic is used across many countries in the Middle East and North Africa. It has an important role in international business, diplomacy, culture, history, and regional communication. If you are interested in working, studying, traveling, or doing business in Arab-speaking countries, learning Arabic can be a valuable advantage. The fifth, French, a language of international communication from France. Another important language is French. French is spoken in many parts of Europe, Africa, North America, and other regions. It also has an important role in diplomacy and international organization. For people interested in international relations, tourism, education, culture, and global careers, French can be a very useful language to learn. The sixth, Portuguese, important in Brazil and beyond. Let's talk about Portuguese. Portuguese is spoken in Portugal, Brazil, and several other countries. Brazil is a major country in South America with a large population and an important economy. Therefore, Portuguese can be particularly useful for people interested in Brazilian culture, tourism, international business, trade, and communication. The seventh, Russian, or the language of Russia, important across Eurasia. Another significant language is Russian from Russia. Russian is widely spoken in Russia and has historical and cultural influence across parts of Eurasia. It can be useful for people interested in history, science, technology, energy, culture, and international affairs. The eighth, the language of Hindi, an important language in South Asia. Finally, let's talk about Hindi. Hindi is one of the major languages of India, a country with a huge population and a growing global economy. India has important technology, education, business, manufacturing, and digital industry. Learning Hindi can therefore be an interesting choice for people who want to understand Indian society, culture, and the South Asian market more deeply. So, which language should you learn? Now, here is an important question. Do we need to learn all of these languages? Of course not. The best choice depends on your personal goals. If you want global communication, start with English. If you are interested in business with China, consider Mandarin. If you are interested in Latin America, Spanish could be a great choice. If you are interested in the Middle East, Arabic may be useful. If you are interested in international relations and French-speaking countries, France could be a strong option. And if you are interested in India and South Asia, Hindi may be worth exploring. Don't learn many languages at once. Here are another important point. You don't have to learn several languages at the same time. A better strategy is to master one language first. For example, Indonesian plus English plus Mandarin can provide a powerful combination for communication across Indonesia, the international community, and the Chinese-speaking world. Or Indonesian plus English plus Spanish can open communication opportunities across many parts of the world. The key isn't the number of languages you know. The key is how well you can use them to communicate. Language opens the door to the world. Ladies and gentlemen, we live in a world where countries and people are increasingly connected. Learning a foreign language is not simply about memorizing vocabulary and grammar. It is about understanding people, it is about understanding culture, and it is about accessing knowledge, and it is about creating new opportunities. One language gives you another way to communicate. Two languages can give you even more opportunities, and every new language you learn can open another window to the world. So, if you are thinking about learning a foreign language, English is a great place to start. Then, choose your second language based on your interests, career goals, education, business opportunities, travel plans, or the cultures you want to explore. Keep learning, keep communicating, keep exploring, because the more languages we understand, the more connected we become to the world. Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends. See you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep communicating, and keep exploring the world. Goodbye and thank you.